Never knew love like this before. Now I'm lonely nevermore. Since you came into my life, you are my love like this I know, and I'll never let you go. You're my all, you're part of me. Once I was lost and now I'm found, and you turned my world around. When I knew I called your name, 'cause I never knew love like this before. Open my eyes, 'cause I never knew love like this before. What a surprise, 'cause I never knew love like this before. 'Cause I never knew love like this before. Open my eyes, never knew love like this before. What a surprise.
All right, let us hear from the judges, starting with Elaine.
Celia, okay. So this is about interpretation now, this song. You never knew love like this before, so this is a happy time. This is something. You ever been in love? I don't know. You're like 16, right? 17. Same difference. Have you ever been in love? How you feel? Sit there. Daddy, mommy, don't watch this part of the show. And you know how you feel. You're happy, you're smiling, 'cause I never, like, there's an excitement that you needed to convey that wasn't kind of there. You have a beautiful voice, you are a star, there's no doubt in my mind. But it kind of started off where I felt like you stepped out on the offbeat, so it was weird, like the dancing at the beginning of the performance. So it was strange. You kind of got into it more as it progressed, but still vocally, I thought you could have done a lot more to keep it, crescendoing, to keep it more and more exciting as it got to the end, because you have that big voice and you can do it.
All right, Conroy.
Yeah, there's no doubt that you're talented and that you're one of the stronger performers and voices in the competition. That song, it started off weird because the movement, you were rocking on the wrong beat anyway. So, and I saw that you were thrown off a little bit, but you kept it going, unlike some of the previous ones. And towards the end, you kind of gave it your everything, but it was like a little bit too late that your everything came out. So you've got to try and come again.
All right, Anthony.
You have such a nice voice. That's the thing about you. You're one of the more interesting voices in this competition. But I'm mystified why it sounded so curiously flat. I don't know. It's a good song choice, but you have to convey a package. You have to move. Disco is movement. It's energy. It's excitement. It's kind of like the fleeting moment you're interpreting, and you didn't interpret it. So I'd have to pass on that one. But thank you anyway.
All right,
one of the better ones for the night.
All right, thanks, judges.